Established in 2005, it is a high-tech enterprise with manufacturing large free die forgings, ring forgings, and special shape forgings from 1 ton to 50 ton. The product contains main shaft for megawatt wind generator, water turbine forgings, gear rings and gear shafts, forgings for mining machinery, petroleum valves, marine forgings, roller shafts, compressed gas cylinder and special pressure vessels, and so on. We have advanced production equipment with complete supporting facilities: 1 4,500 ton oil hydraulic press and 1 2,000 ton oil hydraulic press, 1 diameter 4,000 millimeters CNC ring rolling mill, 1 feeding and discharging machine, forging operators, lifting vehicles, natural gas furnaces, chamber furnaces, sewing machines, heavy horizontal lathers, heavy vertical lathers, hole boring machines, and over 200 sets of other auxiliary equipment. We have 5 workshops: free forging, ring forging, rough machining, heat treatment, and finish machining. In order to achieve accurate test data, Quality Physical and Chemical Testing Center is equipped with advanced, computerized 300 kN electronic universal testing machine, 600 kN hydraulic universal testing machine, pendulum impact testing machine, CNS analysis instrument, oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen determinator, German specs spectrometer, metallographic microscope, high-power tester, and other testing equipment. We can do ultrasonic, magnetic, penetration of non-destructive testing as well as metallic materials elements and organization of microscopic analysis. The company has earned certifications by ISO 9001, ABS, LR, GL, DNV, RINA, BV, KR, NK, and CCS, PED certificate, TUV technical specification, AD 2000, WO for pressure vessel, and a special equipment manufacturing license. We also gained some honor such as Jiangsu Province High and New Tech Enterprise, 3A Credit Rating Enterprise, Jiangyin Advanced Environmental Protection Enterprise. Company products are exported abroad and well received by users. Non-foreign companies such as GE, Siemens, Gamsa, Bosch Group, Rexroth, Holden, Andritz Gouda, FFF, etc. 3F, etc. Domestic, Sunny Electric, Dongfang Turbine, Shanghai Electric, Mingyang Electric, Jiangyin Envision, CCWE, and so on. The key positions are served as a senior professor of engineering who engaged in forging industry more than 2 decades. We sincerely look forward to your sincere cooperation to seek common development and create brilliance.